thanks for clicking on the interior painting coach. We're talking about popular colors. Really popular gray right now is called Dolphin Fin by Home Depot. It's a Behr color. We purchased the paint and primer in one, you can see right here. And then we're going to be painting this accent wall. Keep watching if you like to see the end result. I always use frog tape on the corners, guarantees fine lines. When applying the tape along in the corner, the key is starting it out perfectly in the center of the corner. Keep it sideways a little bit and press it as you go. Make sure you press the tape down really nice along the edge with your fingernail or putty knife. Remember, in order to go fast, you gotta go slow. You gotta make sure you dry brush the edges so no paint gets along behind there. Little tip when you're painting along the ceiling, just take your time and keep it nice and steady. Another tip, always make sure you tape off everything when you're dealing with accents because there's a big contrast. Always make sure you demask when the paint is wet. That way it doesn't dry and peel up as you take the tape up. Here's my finished result of the accent wall along white. That's called Dolphin Fin at Home Depot. A very popular gray. Thanks for checking out the Interior Painting Coach Pro. Please subscribe.